Botello Outdoors. We're heading to Navarro Lake this morning.
Let me try to set this up and then I'll introduce myself.
So, stay with us. Buddy, or clear?
Yeah.
I mean, it does look natural. I'm all about the natural colors. I'm liking the texture of these paints. We're going to try them out. Because you can buy that in bulk.
What's up, man? What's going on?
Collaboration.
Some collab going on, yeah. Got it, man.
Are you ready?
Here we are, all Botello Outdoors, fishing on Lake Aquila. Oh, Navarro Mills, my bad, Navarro Mills. I'm getting confused with the lakes here. It's been a slow morning. We've been out for probably 30-45 minutes and still hadn't come across a pattern yet. We're still trying. We got hung up a couple of times on this rock dam. Sea rig, we were trying to throw a sea rig. And
One bite.
one bite earlier this morning, but still nothing.
Nothing. I ain't got no bites, nothing, just hung up once.
Hung up once, broke off a lure. We're looking on sonar there, but still can't really pick up nothing. Notice a lot of people fishing crappie out here right now. I guess it's almost that time of the year. We got boats everywhere with their crappie rigs. But stay with us. We're trying. We'll catch something here eventually. All Botello Outdoors.
Oh, a good one. First one of the day. Firsties, man. Nice. Chris got one on board. Look how gray it is, man. It's been deep. Look at it. First one of the day. Firsties, man.
Coming to you, coming to you, coming to you, coming to you.
Oh, dang.
Nice.
Oh, shit, I wasn't even recording.
Yeah, that's
Chris got one on board. Look how gray it is, man. It's been deep.
I know, I knew I didn't hook him good, dude. I could feel it when I was
It's
biting.
at
least a 4.5.
Yeah, nice.
Woo. Get your fish.
Oh, God, that film was probably not good at all.
Come on,
but
come on. It's all right. I mean, it's a clip. Get over here.
Nice one, man.
Get over there and kind of record me. I'll talk about it a little bit.
What are you using?
The color I just changed to, that crawfish color.
Crawfish?
Yeah. Brown. All right, this is all Botello Outdoors. I just hooked this fish. I just changed my bait. We've been struggling all morning, and I finally got one. Okay, so when I caught him on, I was throwing a chartreuse and white because every time I come up out here, the water's stained, and I've been doing good on that. But for some reason, I wanted to try that UV color on a deep diver, and I threw it on this brown and orange crawl color with the red eye. Second cast, he nailed it. Second cast, and a good one. Good, nice. Good four pounder.
My weight or
I'm gonna say about 4 pounds. They're beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. We finna try to get a weigh on him and see how much he weighs. Let me give him a drink. Let me give him a drink. He needs a drink. I thought it was a big fat crappie at first, but then it started pulling drag.
There we go.
Let's try to get an official weight on him. One time push. Come right off the bait. He was halfway into the cast.
Thumbnail.
Oh!
Something coming out here. Oh, I can't do it.
Thank you.
Okay. Subscribe to us and tell me how much y'all think it weighs.
I'll say four.
I say, yeah.
No, wait.
4?
Y'all are still wrong.
6.
2.5.
5.5.
I'm still bouncing. I'm still bouncing. Hold on. I got 2 different weights.
5.5.
I say 5, 3, 2.
I finally got it stopped. 482.
482.
We're close.
Nice. This top set.
Oh, a little jumper, little jumper, little jumper.
Got a little male.
Little buck bass, little buck bass.
Buck low.
It's not a keeper.
Both with
Of course, man. It's a good hook set. Look at that. Right on the top of the mouth.
good hook set, dude. I saw it. Good hook set, dude.
Perfect. That sounds dumb, but this is a baby.
Let's throw that sinker up on this
Little
flat.
baby. Yeah, little baby. Yeah. Let me get a quick little picture of my firstie, little baby. Little baby. Back in the water.
Alright, let's fish 2. Eboneks fishing.
Baby.
That color, this color is the key. Yeah, man, I got hit on the same similar color.
Yeah.
I think it's the color's the key, man. You might want to switch it up to orange, worm or something. Nico. I mean, both fish have been on that orange look. This ain't going deep enough. That's a good idea. You want this side?
Or you want to fish it?
No, it doesn't really matter. We can just switch it. We can just switch it up whenever. You hung up? Oh no, it's twisted. See, look
Baby brush hog. I
Yeah,
fed
on
baby
this
brush
one.
hog today too, didn't I?
on this color.
Hey, can I throw one right over here?
Yeah.
I just want to kind of run up there and help you. No, you're good. Oh,
Right here at the boat.
nice. Hey, Gavin, what you need to do is drop it in the rock. It's going to work it.
Little bitty one, right? Almost as big as the bait. See that little bitty one. Putting on a clinic on how to catch the babies. Woo! Let's throw this little baby back.
Chunk it.
We get a little photo. I'm not gonna chunk it, man. It's gonna put it in shot, and another big bass gonna eat it.
We're stuck on something. Which is it okay for right now? Get a couple of casts in here. Where's our chesty at, Gavin?
You happy?
I'm in. Look, I'm winning on the count.
Yes, you are winning.
I love doing
What am I
that.
eating? Some
I love
Oreo
doing that,
thins
man.
with a little bit of water. I'm fixing to get sticky mouth.
Muck mouth. We're gonna call him Muck Mouth.
Oh,
Muck Mouth.
I got half a water in here.
There's some more waters. Remember we put them in that bag over there?
Oh, I got a Rice Krispie treat too.
Big boy.
Oreo thins?
Muck Mouth.
You got water?
What's up with this hate on water, man? Water is water. It's good for you.
Water is life.
Why you have so much hate for water? Chris, yeah.
I got some cheese too.
Yeah, I ate one of those earlier.
Oh, got it. Good job, good job, good job.
Got him.
Feels good.
job.
Finally, man.
Good job, man.
C-Rig.
Got it.
Yeah, he's
That's a
little.
small one. Yeah.
He's little, but they feel like they're big, don't they, on the C-Rig when you're getting ready to hook one?
Hey, nice
That's my
little
problem, guys, right there. Look.
thing. Look at all that leader. That's a lot of leader, man.
Look at that. That's
You know,
my problem.
you know what that was? That was, let me hurry up and get the C-Rig
I mean,
set
I'm
up.
sitting here feeling this fish take my bait. So what did you have to do? I mean, what?
I didn't set the
Just
hook.
set
I
the
just
hook
let
as
him
hard as you
take
could?
it, and whenever I felt him, I mean, it almost feels like a live bait, like you're fishing with
Yeah,
live
live bait, yeah. That was a lot of leader, man. That's a lot of leader.
Hell, we didn't cut this.
His first one might have been a kilo 2, might have been 14. Maybe. Both mine were nowhere near keepers. Baby dinks.
See?
Cause I just barely recorded.
There we go.
No, that's fine.
Good. There she goes.
She paralyzed or something? Oh. How about this?